In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily convert photo to PDF on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app and then get into some album or to your library. After that, you need to select a photo you would like to convert to PDF. You can select one single photo, or you can choose multiple photos at the same time. Once you have selected a photos, hit Add Share icon, then scroll down and select Save to Files. Then choose the directory and hit Add Save. After that, open up Files app, and after that open the directory in which you saved the files. Now right here we need to select those files again, and then if we tap at these three dots, we'll be able to choose Create PDF. Just tap where it says Create PDF and it will immediately create PDF file with all the photos we have selected. As you can see, this PDF includes 3 photos I have chosen. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.